Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust power and battery settings on Windows 10 so your laptop either runs faster when you need it or lasts longer when you're on the go. First, open Settings by clicking the Start menu and choosing Settings, or just press Windows plus I on your keyboard to jump straight there. Once Settings is open, click System and then select Power and Sleep from the left column to change how quickly your screen turns off and when your PC goes to sleep. To get more control, click Additional Power Settings on the right to open the classic power options and control panel where you can pick a power plan like Balanced, Power Saver, or High Performance. If you want maximum speed, choose High Performance. And if you want to tweak details, click Change Plan Settings next to your chosen plan, and then change Advanced Power Settings to open the Advanced dialog. In Advanced Settings, expand Processor Power Management and set the maximum processor state to 100% for best performance. And you can lower it a bit on battery if you want to save power. Also, check Wireless Adapter Settings and set Power Saving Mode to maximum performance when plugged in, and a more conservative option on battery, and disable USB Selective Suspend or background apps if they're causing slowdowns. For quick changes later, click the battery icon on the taskbar and use the power slider to move between better battery and best performance, depending on what you need right now. That's it. You have just learned how to adjust power and battery settings on Windows 10. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more.